Welcome back to once again, and once again I am repeating you previous classes. I am repeating you previous classes which we completed few days back. Or recaps, dear students. The main headline, the main theme is personality development. The main theme is first unit. Personality development. You know very well about personal, a person's relating to things. Development, we know very well. The development of the character, attitude, behavior, thinking. So once again repeating you, explaining you, which we completed few days back. So a reading, attitude is altitude. A reading is attitude is altitude. Attitude, the way of thinking is main verb. Altitude, reaching the high goals. And be reading, every success story is also a story of great failures. So this story is very nice and excellent, students. You know very well the great persons, how they achieved their achievements in their lives. So that once again repeating you, every success story is also a story of great failures. Okay now? So failures we know very well. All the failures. We know very well apajayalu, opposite of the success, triumph. We know very well, students. Now see reading, I'll do it. See reading, I'll do it. So నేను సాధించగలను, నేను చేయగలను. సో దీస్ A reading and B reading and C reading we completed. Totally this is the first unit. Now we are going to see second unit. Second unit, dear students. So the main theme is second unit, wit and humor. Second unit, we are going to enter second unit, wit and humor. Wit and conjunction, humor. So we know wit, chamatkaramu, right? Humor, joke, funny. So this is the theme of second unit, wit and humor. In this reading, in this reading, the dear departed one. The dear departed, part 1. Friends, so we are going to see second unit. The main theme is wit and humor. A reading, the dear departed, part 1. And B reading, C reading, the brave portrait. So this is the second unit. Once again, the main theme is wit and humor. In this reading, the dear departed 1. B reading, the dear departed 2. C reading, the brave porter. So once again repeating you and explaining you here Da is a article, we know very well, dear students. Dear, lovable, Priyamaina, deported. This is the V3. This is the verb 3. We know very well, deported. The person who left the place. The person who left the place. Exactly here. చనిపోవడం, పరమపదించడం, అంతర్ధానం అవడం, దివికెగడం. We can know all these things. So here also the deer departed too. The deer departed too. So we can know very well. If at all you go to the railway station or bus station, you may see departures. So you may see departure, train departures, train arrivals, arrivals, departures. Arrivals means coming, departures means going. So see reading, the brave porter, the brave porter. The is an article, we know very well, and brave, courage, dare, and stamina. We can say like this. These are the synonyms. Porter, the person who makes the pottery, kundalu cheyadam. So that is the person. So now we will see the deer departed one. A reading only. The deer departed one. Glossary, students. So we can see only a reading. The deer departed. Glossary. So if at all have the textbooks, you can go through the glossary, dear students. First one is lay, L-A-Y, lay. So here, put the cloth, plates, knives, forks, etc. on a table ready for meal. So this is the meaning. Next, vigorous. Next, vigorous. Next, vigorous. Using a lot of energy and strength of determination. Using a lot of energy and strength of determination. Slightly fat in a fairly pleasant way. Okay, vulgar. So we may know this word so many times. You might have heard vulgar. So vulgar, we can say roughly rude and offensive. So sometimes we can say like this, he's a vulgar fellow, he's talking vulgarly like this. And get our own way. Get our own way. This is the idiom. This is the idiom. Persuade other people to allow you to do what you want. So you see here, D-Y-E, die. So one more is there, D-I-E, die. So here, these are the homonyms. We know, die, die. So pronunciation is same, and meaning is, spelling is different. And amazed, okay, very surprised. Amazed, very surprised. For ages, idiom. One more time came idiom. You can say in Telugu. Idiom. Jatiyamulo, you can say in Telugu. And stooping, bent towards and down. And drooping. And drooping. Only drooping or silent, dear students. Hanging or bending down. Hanging or bending down. Come after. So here we see PHR. It means phrasal verb. It means phrasal verb. So come after. Worn out. So here all silent, dear students. Break down. Careful. Precocious. So bureau. Bureau is a writing desk with drawers. Bureau, a writing desk with drawers. We may see. So here it is a can keep some things, tools, and using and writing for material. So that is the bureau. Dear friends, next based on and drive hard bargain. Drive hard bargain. This is also idiom, students. Work hard to negotiate agreement in one's own favor. And startlet, made something suddenly, surprised or slightly shocked, stupefied, so surprised, tried or bored that one can think clearly, chapped, stupid, silly, shabby, untidy, and bad, hasten to firmly close window doors, etc., so that it will not open. So pinch, pinch. We can say steal, 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 student, and steal, steal. So here two words are pronouncing same, but spelling and meaning is different. These are the homonyms I explained so many times. And mantelpiece, usher, and appeal, stagger, complacent, and mourn. So it is a mourn. Mourn means feeling or sadness to miss someone after they have died. They have died. You can say this is the very mourn time when we are seeing the important person dies. Fortnight, we know very well. Fortnight, F-O-R-T, fort. F-O-R-T, fort, and 9, G-H-T. Fortnight, it means 2 weeks, students. 2 weeks. You can say in Telugu, Paksham Rojulu. You can say in Telugu, Paksham Rojulu. So, we can say like that. Next, chirpy, cheerfully and actively. Snug, warm and comfortable. So, you can see one more. Wife, W-I-P-E. W-I-P-E. Wife. Wife. So here, ha. So wife. So see, to rub a surface with something in order to remove liquid dirt. So we may see tuduchuta. So here we may see Varya. For example, if you wanted to make a sentence, my wife is wiping the floor. So you can see wife. So my wife is wiping the floor. So this is one kind of best sentence. Next, look through phrasal verb or to not paid by the expected time. You can say overdue. And annoy and put without phrasal verb, friendly, and cheating. You can say cheating somebody or properly or money. Cheating. Okay now, so we don't use cheater. Only we can use cheat. Okay now, so don't use cheater, only use cheat. So next, reluctantly, unwillingly, we may cross so many times this word. And transfixed, cling, chuckling, clad. You may see C-L-A-D, clad. C-L-A-D, clad. They are wearing particular type of cloth. Clad. So you may see ladies or girls wearing and chunni and gents are also sometimes they can use a towel like this. This is one kind of clad, vastra dharana dharinchtam. So extra, that is extra, clad. Okay, right. One more, malicious, harmful, hateful. The last one, obviously, clearly. Obviously, clearly. So these are all glossary from the George Departed, part 1, dear friends. So we will see next class, and as well as I am recording this class only and asking you, please go through the textbooks and perfect the words. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.